So I have some big news for you. You can now add your banking information through the IRS portal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your information because I actually need to update mine, so we're going to go through this thing step by step. And what's up guys, my name is Josh and I make videos on all things related to your finances. So if you care about your financial future, go ahead and obliterate that like button and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. So now using the Child Tax Credit Update portal, you can now add your direct deposit information if the IRS do not have the correct information on file from your recent tax return, or like in my case, they just have the wrong information. The IRS said they will use what they have on file for the July 15th payments. And if you are a non-filer and the IRS doesn't have enough information to determine your eligibility, you can sign up using the Child Tax Credit Non-Filers tool, which I cover more about that in that video right there. And I'm also going to leave that link down below. So to go on and update your direct deposit information with the IRS, first you want to head on over to the Child Tax Credit Update portal, which I will leave a link down below that will carry you right to this screen. Now, after you arrive on this screen, go ahead and click the icon where it says Manage Advance Payments. After you click on Manage Advance Payments, go ahead and sign in. However, if you have not already signed up with an account with the IRS, you will need to create a new account before proceeding on. But at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. After I signed in with my username and password for an extra security measure, I was sent a 6-digit code to my phone, and from there I enter in that 6-digit code that was sent to my phone and click continue. At the bottom here, you can unenroll from the payments. However, I thought that deadline had already passed, but oh well. But you want to focus right here where it says, we'll send payment to your payment method on file. Update your payment method in your profile. Now I'm going to click the hyperlink right here that says your profile. Now you will see where your payment will be sent in July, and my payment will be sent to my address on file. However, I don't want it to go to my address on file because I don't want to keep checking the mail, wondering what's going on with the mail and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to click right here where it says edit. From here, this is where you will enter your information along with your routing number and your account number. And after you enter the information, go on and read the terms of service and agreement. And after you agree to all of that, then you want to click the blue button right here that says submit payment. After you click on submit payment, you will receive this page right here. Is more like a confirmation page. This will start in August, okay? So if you're looking for it to start in July, it will not start in July, but it will start with the August payment. And right here it says there is no need to submit another request at this point or call them or anything. It's almost like a done deal. Just wait until August in order for this update to reflect in your account. And from here, it looked like you can go on and update your address that they have on file as well. So this is how you would go ahead and update your banking information and change your address that they have on file if you need to. And if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure again, obliterate that like button and share this video with someone who may need this information. And for more ways to save, make money, and all things related to your finances, go ahead and click on the videos right over there. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.